Hello, in this lesson we are going to learn how to create 3D model and create shop drawings after statistical analysis in MkaPEB. So let's get started. I have opened our Connectiondesign model. Remember that we have already finished our statistical analysis and the connection design. To create the 3D model, first you need to click 3D model button in After Statistical Analysis tab. I click it. There is a settings button available. Let's click it. These settings are about to creating the 3D model. It depends on your computer speed. You can use the default values. I click OK and close this menu. Now let's click the Draw button. The program is creating the 3D model. The time depends on your computer power. Our 3D model is created. After that, you need to click Numbering button to let the program perform numbering. I click it. Numbering finished. And the steel single parts and concrete single parts are welcomes us. This is the NC file. I close here. After the numbering, you can calculate the welding cost here, bolt, nut, washer cost here, the coating cost here. To calculate the coating cost, you need to select. To calculate the coating cost, first you need to define some parameters. Here, expected lifetime you have to select. Then you need to select a manufacturer. You can add a manufacturer or delete a manufacturer, of course. I close this menu. You can take a quantity takeoff report here. I close this report. And of course, you can open drawing list here. Select the drawing type here. For example, I click plans. And the available plans are listed. Let's click Column Application Plan 2D button. Program create the column application plan. The assembly numbers written here. Let's create a mezzanine plan. Let's create a roof plan for upper court level. Let's change the drawing type. I'm going to select the cross sections and click the 3D. Here, the 2D cross sections welcomes us. Let's select the YZ axis cross sections and click the 2D button, of course. Let's select the single parts. Here, the list of single parts. Of course, you can change the text style here and the scale here. I click the 2D. Let's check the assembly parts. And another details, of course, available. For example, connection details. Let's see this connection and the other connection. Of course, you can take the isometric drawings or plate groups together. This is the thickness of the place. Let's click this and the place here. I close this menu. See you next lesson.